Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Mastercard Black Card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add a serious touch of high-end luxury to your travel game, well, the Mastercard Black Card is an absolute showstopper here. Crafted from heavy black PVD coated stainless steel with a carbon back, it looks incredibly sleek and makes an undeniable statement in the second you drop it on a table. Now, where this card generally shines is the unmatched airport VIP treatment. Now, it hooks you up with a premium priority pass like membership and uniquely allows you to bring an unlimited number of guests into the lounge with you for free. Now, it also still includes the elusive airport restaurant credit, letting you score free sit-down meals and drinks at participating airport spots before you even board. Now, to effortlessly wash away the baseline travel costs here, you get a $200 annual airline credit that flexibility applies directly to the actual flights or baggage fees. Now, $100 annual dining credit and $120 TSA pre-check and global entry credit here. Now, whenever you book a resort or hotel stay here through their luxury travel portal, you get treated like a royal with premium perks averaging $750 in value stay. Now, including free daily breakfast for two resort credits and room upgrades. Now, on top of that, you get 24/7 access to live luxury concierge to handle your dinner reservations or source hard to get even tickets, and an excellent redemption rate that gives you a flat 2% value back when booking airfare, or a solid 1.5% value for standard cash back. Now, just to give you a quick heads up and a realistic one here on regarding its math, well, it does carry a heavy $699 annual fee and doesn't feature a standard upfront sign-up bonus. But honestly, if you travel a few times a year with family or friends and love the idea of unlimited free lunch dining, automatic luxury hotel upgrades, and a gorgeous heavy metal car that turns heads, it delivers a genuinely elite, seamless experience that is incredibly fun to use. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.